Hey guys. Okay, so I just got my Erin Condren sticker subscription and wanted to share with you what I got. I just really thought this was a great value and something fun to get once a season from Erin Condren. So it looks like everything's purple and flowers, like we're ready for spring. We've got these long page flags, sticky note flags. I think these will be great for reading books and marking pages, obviously, right? But they're really pretty and I love the like color gradient, how it moves. These are pressed flowers. Like, what? Are these not gorgeous? I'm excited to use these. I've got some dots, some circles. I love a good check mark. I love tracking things and checking off when they're done. And then these seem to be pretty standard. I keep getting these in most of the boxes. So just really user-friendly stickers. Like, we could just definitely use these. And they're really pretty, all these purple, blue, and pinks. And then these are paper, just like these are, just really nice quality paper stickers. We've got Hello Spring, and these are all decorative. These are really fun. And then we've got the green and pinks here for May. Oh, I love these. Just gorgeous. And then all these plants. Let's root for each other. You grow, girl. Bloom wildly. Look at the bike with the flowers. Oh, and all the plants. If you've been watching my stories at all on Instagram, I actually saved a highlight saying, I think it's gardening 2021, because I'm starting my garden and I'm excited. I'm really excited. I'm having, how can you keep loving one more than the next? I haven't seen these as I'm going through them. Teal and yellow. Oh, that's my jam. But I was going to say, I'm having these like weird flashbacks of last year because this is when the world shut down. It was like the week of spring break, and for my sanity was gardening. And so now as I'm doing it, I'm just thinking about last year. Oh man, I don't know. They're all so pretty. The green and pink and the teal, like guys, these are so pretty. So if you haven't jumped on the bandwagon with these, they are definitely worth it. I am a huge fan. I'm kind of like fanning them out. Just gorgeous. Love it. All right, if you like these videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one. I share about health, wellness, and all the things, and definitely planner stuff because you know that's definitely my jam. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.